How you going, guys? Kurt here, founder of Nomad Moto. We have just fit the Strzelecki panniers and roll bag to a BMW 1250 GSA Adventure. If you just want to have a look at how it fits the bike, we'll walk around. You can see here how the quick release attachment points fit around the pannier racks quite easily. So we fit the roll bag with the Strzelecki base plate that goes in between the two panniers, and that way you don't need a platform for it to sit on. So there you have it, the BMW 1250 GSA Strzelecki 20 litre panniers and roll bag.